Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now the murder case against Rushane Patterson for the death of Anika Slickianna Townsend is set to begin in the St. James Circuit Court. Now it has been moved from the parish court by order of the Director of Public Prosecutions. Now this was told to the parish court judge, Sasha Ashley. Now it seems as if the prosecutors are hinting that the maximum penalty is being sought in the case against Rushane Patterson. Now, in a shocking turn of events, it seems as if the security guard, Rowan Early B. Rose, has not turned state witness. And he is also being charged and prosecuted as either being involved in the matter or just failing to notify the authorities. Now, the judge also told Rose that the case against him is also being transferred to the circuit court as well. Now, she pointed out that his matter was connected to the case against Rushane Patterson, as he was aware, and it is the intent of the prosecution to have the matters dealt with together. The judge was also quoted as saying that the matters against Patterson and Rose will stop at this stage and begin immediately in the circuit court. So for the family of Anika Slickianna Townsend, prosecutors are saying that justice must be served. The security guard's involvement still uncertain. The fact that he had information that could help with the case, and even after the case being plastered over social media, blasted over every part of social media, law enforcement has searched the whole parish for this individual every day upon the media. Him still never bring the information to law enforcement. Now, Holness is also tabling new laws stating that the minimum for certain crimes, wicked acts of murder, should receive the minimum of 30 years. At first, Holness was saying that maybe capital punishment was maybe the way to go, which seemed to be something hard for table in a parliament. People have mixed views on something like that. Of course, you have human rights groups who are saying no. So now we're stating at 30 years minimum. Tell me what you think. And this case against Rushane Patterson would be a case like that. Remember, this individual meet up with an innocent Jamaican citizen, committed the wicked act of murder, disposed of the body, and then try to cover him tracks. This individual go time way to create fictional characters for try to send the police on a wild goose chase. Even after they find out, say no, him never there in Atlanta, Georgia. They send him up an island to hide. Law enforcement find him. And him still say information he made up on him phone to help him case was destroyed when law enforcement assaulted him. Which we don't hear no more talk about. Seeing as if there was never any proof. Never have no physical marks, nothing. Would they ever hear him attorney talk about it? It seems as if it was just another story made up by Patterson. It's a person who make up a whole heap of stories, it seems. Now, of course, law enforcement and the prosecutors are going to keep in mind, say, him have other cases pending too, that against him ex-girlfriend. Him assault her, that try to take her money. We also have the scenario where the woman, even though she'd stopped the court and the case was thrown out, she said Patterson was the driver of the motor vehicle in which she was taken. She and her common law partner at the time, who trying to escape, jumped from the vehicle and lost his life. Now the victim, after the man, the other victim, after the man them have them way with her, slashed her throat and left her there. Imagine. But it was the blessings. And she survived. And that is how law enforcement knows that Patterson was the driver of the vehicle. Now, we don't know if a long time I work with the accomplice. We don't know if law enforcement say the accomplice is individual and trial. They must say, basically, he's a security guard who had information needed to the case and never get up. Hopefully, as him see the situation and how serious the matter is. Him tell law enforcement all the way him know. Now, until other stories making headlines today. Now, some even former members of the Jamaica Labour Party is still questioning the plans that the administration has for the country going forward, even while stating that they do believe that the opposition is still not ready, still not united as a party to obtain leadership of the country. But them still say there's a lot of work to be done within the party in power currently. I'm going to hear what I will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
You know what I'm going to do tonight? I'm going to talk on several issues tonight, but am me alone miss something today? I don't know if me alone miss something today, but I think in truth and in fact, a lot of people are having table discussions as we speak. In truth and in fact, many of these people from uptown Jamaica are speaking. In truth and in fact, no, I don't know green I represent. In truth and in fact, many people were listening today and wanted to hear about the crime plan. In truth and in fact, did you hear a crime plan? You see, me not come and bash nobody and I laugh off at nobody with the manufactured relationship. And the manufactured relationship me a come about. Me a come about and I ask you know, come from which conference, lady? Which conference? You think me have no time? Them there years when me used to waste up and up. Me not go no conference. And the crime plan me a defend. The crime plan. And the crime plan me a talk about. Me not talk about the manufactured relationship. Where them come and display. Today a kiss up and who throw off kiss and who wipe off kiss.
Boy, the situation of leadership, governance. May I say this though. In areas like West Kingston, it will show you how Jamaica seems to be developing as a country. With strong leadership in the Western Kingston community, there was never any infighting. Not saying everybody was on the same page. Don't get it twisted. Everybody was never on the same page. The large majority were. And then everybody did know say, for the thing to continue, for everybody continue to do what they do and thrive in their businesses, respectively, whatever it might be. This is how we'd have to do it. With that leadership removed, chaos in our community. Now, at the same thing with the Jamaican country, we can see where the potential is there to be a Caribbean superpower. But keep in mind, that will only be attained with strong and good leadership. It will also only be attained when the people and the leadership are united in the same goal. When the people and objectives meet with the objectives of the state. I mean, some people are pointing out that no, the UIC is still there and still Jamaica's third political party. It's still not taken away from the statement of unity without the people being unified under, let's say, the same mindset of a better Jamaica. Simple as that. Some people want a road, some people want different things. But with a better Jamaica, everybody would have all the things that they must seek. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know if you agree with the statements. As stated, majority of the people still say, maybe the party in power is the party that will win the next general election again. Some say, no, time for the opposition. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, of course, put it on all. And this is how you will be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion, the comment section 24/7. Never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. And of course, stay tuned.